entertainment, but tonight there'll be some love. Tonight there'll be a ruckus, yeah, regardless of what's gone before. I want to see all of the things that we've already seen. I want to see you take the jackpot out of proof machine and put it all back in. You've got to understand that you can never be the bandit, no. And she won't be surprised, that she won't be shocked when she's pressed the star after she's pressed so long. And there's verse and chapter sat in her inbox, and all that it says is that you drank a lot. And you should bear that in mind tonight, bear that in mind, yeah, you should bear that in mind tonight, bear that in mind. For your heart's out, but a reason it will block. Oh, when you send her after 9 o'clock. Anticipation has a habit to set you up for disappointment in evening entertainment. But tonight there'll be some love. Oh, tonight there'll be a ruckus, yeah, regardless of what's gone before. And she won't be surprised.